Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is holding that last swing low at the moment, and we are still in this sideways range, but ADA makes another attempt of rallying in wave C to the upside, but I can tell you we haven't really seen any decision yet. I mean, a lot of coins are currently recovering. The expected volatility this week is happening, but actually ADA isn't really outside the scope of normal volatility. You can see it here. This is all quite normal, especially the rally that happened from the Monday low isn't really outside of normal volatility. Okay, and we're still holding below all these previous swing highs. So what I said to our members on Discord earlier today is that a break above that last swing high of 37.4 cents, which formed on Monday, the 21st of October, would indeed be the most interesting development of the last few weeks. And it would confirm further that we're actually moving up in this C wave within wave A. If that's forming, then we can add support for the yellow B wave pullback, which might then present a setup in wave C to the upside. Now, this A wave might turn into a 5-wave pattern, but that's a little bit wishful thinking. So what we really need is we need a 5-wave move up for clarity, for a clearly bullish assessment, but we might not see one because A waves are often 3-wave movements, and also the third wave is likely going to be a 3-wave move. So A wave, B wave, C wave, and what is important to understand is that for a viable third wave, it should take the price to 52.9 cents. So this is really what we need to see to call it a viable third wave, the 138% extension of the initial 1-2 setup. Again, the yellow count is not high confidence, right? But it would gain, or it would become more probable if there finally is a break above 37.4 cents. Now, I'm not bearish on ADA necessarily, but it's very balanced, right? I mean, you see, I've been quite neutral, I'd say, over the last few weeks, and you see what happened, nothing. So that's what Elliott waves are telling us, right? There isn't much going on. There's not really a commitment yet, not yet a decision, but I always give my best to give you the levels that matter and that need to be broken in order for probabilities to shift one way or the other. And as I said, a break above 37.4 cents would be a first indication that the bulls are trying to take the lead, whereas a break below the red line here at 31.4 cents would be an indication that the bears are taking the lead. Again, also here very choppy, not impulsive to the downside, and without any clear 5-wave move, it is really difficult to take a strong position. But that's basically an outcome of the analysis. We can't really take a strong position yet. On the smaller time frame, there's no confirmation that a low has formed on the 5th of August. That confirmation would come if the market can successfully form a 5-wave move up as per the yellow scenario to at least 57.8 cents. So it is important. It is important though that the overall bullish structure is still intact. So if we go to the ADA long-term chart, and this is sort of the daily time frame, right? Here you can see that the 1-2 setup is still valid. So the invalidation point for the larger 1-2 structure, which started to form in June last year, well, it is the low, the June low, and that's at 22 cents. I mean, any break below that would invalidate really all the bullish assumptions of this cycle, because it would just, it's one of the rules that a wave 2 must not go below the beginning of the wave 1. Below the support area here, which goes down to 29 cents, we are a bit in no man's land, because it would kind of invalidate, not invalidate, but it would make invalidation more likely. But invalidation is officially only done below 22 cents, so let's say 21.6 cents. For now, I'm watching still for evidence that on the 5th of August low, a substantial low formed. But as I said, we need a little bit more evidence on the smaller time frame. I gave you the levels. And if we get a break above that 37.4 cent level, the next level to watch is going to be 41.5 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.